In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview so you can manage risk and lock in profits easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and go to your chart screen. Once you're inside, scroll down and open the trading panel. Then connect to paper trading so you can practice without using real money. After connecting, click on the trade or buy, sell button to open the order panel. This is where you place your trade. Now look for the fields labeled stop loss and take profit. Enter the price where you want your trade to automatically close if the market moves against you for stop loss. Then enter your take profit level where you want to secure your gains when the price moves in your favor. Once you've set both levels, confirm your order and your trade will be placed with automatic risk management. You can track your trade on the chart and see how price reacts to your stop loss and take profit levels. That's it. Now you know how to set stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.